Hi guys, Trinetta Burrell here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add custom indicators to your MetaTrader 4 desktop version. And so you're looking at right now the TDI Pro, something that we definitely use in our trading community. And I have provided access to this to you guys in our Discord channel, in our Discord group. I will show you that really quick. Let me go grab that here. So there's an indicator channel, and if you can see TDI underscore Pro EX4, that is where you go to download it. If you don't have access to that channel or group, you're either not on my team or you haven't requested access to it or I haven't released it yet. Depends on when you're watching this video. Um, but so let me show you how to how to add it, right? So in order to add an indicator, custom indicator to your MetaTrader 4, you have to go to File and Data folder, Open Data folder. And what I like to do is I like to have my data folder in one window, and beside it, I like to have my downloads. And let me see, I think I already have one of those open. Yeah. So I have them like side by side because when I download it, it'll go to my downloads, and then I'll just open up my downloads and then I'll just drop it. So what you do when you open your data folder, you go to File, Open Data folder, and then you go to MyQL4, and you're going to choose indicators because that's what you're dropping. And here's the list of indicators that you already have on your MetaTrader 4. You just go over to wherever you've downloaded your indicator, and I just put MQL4 for me to be able to search my downloads, and you just grab it and you drop it. Now I already have a sessions over here. I'm going to drop it anyway. Let's see. See, I already have it, so I can replace it or skip it or just whatever. But it's already over here, right here, sessions, and like these other ones. And this is my sentiment meter, light sentiment meter, and that's always over here as well. This is sorted backwards, so let me see. It's FX right here. So I've already extracted and down and dropped it over here. The point is, you just got to get it into your MQL4 indicator folder. And to do that again, let me show you that again. You go to File, open it. Oh, not open account. Sorry. You go to File. If I can get File to open up for me. Open Data folder. And once it opens, you have to drop your file in the folder. MyQL4 indicators. Another option is you could just have it on your desktop. If you download things to your desktop, and that's the same thing, you can just drop it. You just want to drop it in that folder. Now, once you get it in the folder, you can close your MetaTrader 4 software all out and then restart it, or you can go to charts and refresh. And when you click refresh, it will update your navigator screen. Now, let's say you don't have this up here. Let's say you don't have navigator, you don't have symbols, you just have this screen. Depends on what you have when you start. How do you bring that back? You go to view, and you can go and view market watch, and that'll bring you symbols. Okay, those are different symbols. And you could go and bring in your navigator, and that will bring in like your accounts and your different indicators and your EAs, which are your robots, and your scripts. So that's how you bring it back, and you can actually see your indicators. This is your list of all your indicators. Okay, you have some that come standard, and then you have some that are custom. All right. So another way to add indicators to your screen is to go to Insert Indicators, and you can do it this way, or you can go to, and then if it's something you just installed, because this is what we're talking about, custom, then you can do this way. Let me put in the sentiment light, for instance. On this particular one, you have to click Allow DLL imports. And so here's my sentiment light indicator on my screen. Okay, so that's something, that's how you do it. Now, let's say I don't want this on my screen anymore. I can go to charts, indicator list, and I can click on it and click delete, or I could right click, indicator list, click on it and click delete, and it's gone. Now you may say, well, my chart doesn't look like this. Let me show you how you can let me show you, because I have several windows down here. Let me show you on a new window. So I'm going to window, and I'm going to do a new window, and let's do Euro GBP. I don't think I have that down anywhere. So it starts out like this. So I'm going to show you this really quick, how to customize this window. This is with the TDI Pro. These particular alerts right here are with my TDI. I do have other alerts that can come with some of the other indicators. Like this is buy sell magic indicator alerts, but this is TDI. So you right click and go to properties to set it up the first time, because I'm going to show you how to create a template. So you right click and then you, like for instance, I don't want a grid. See, and it shows me in the window what it's going to look like. I don't want the volume gone. I want my bar down, bar. I want my candles. First of all, I want mine to be regular candlesticks. Okay. Now, I want when price is going up, let's say I want it to be blue instead of green. See that? And when it's going down, I want it to be, I'm gonna trick the mind. Let's see, I want it to be white. All right. Or seashell. And if it's a bull candle, same thing. I want my bull candle to be blue. And I want my bear candle to be white. Okay. And I want my stop level to be red. And I'm good with everything else. So I'm gonna click OK. So I'm gonna click this right here to zoom in. So this is what I made it look like. It's up to you. You can choose whatever color you want. And now, so it's kind of plain. It's fine. It works, but I can't really see anything. So now let's insert some indicators. I can go here to insert it. I can right click, or I can go to insert. I'm going to right click. I'm sorry. I can right click and get rid of them. I'm going to go to insert indicators. And I'm going to go find a custom indicator. And I want to put buy sell magic up here, for instance. So now I got my buy sell magic. I got my arrow saying, okay, look like we're switching trends. We're going down. Got my arrow here saying strong uptrend. Okay, so good. I got my buy sell magic. Let's say I actually personally remove this buy sell magic. So I right click and go to indicator list, and I'm because I'm creating a template, right? So something that I use all the time are my moving averages. And I go to indicators, and it's moving average right up at the top. And let's say I want my 20, which is fine. I'm going to do another moving average. And I want my 7, my 2. I'm going to make her red. She's a shark. And I want another indicator. And I want her to be 7. She's the slow moving average. And I want to make her yellow. Oops. I just mixed them up. So that's fine. Right click. Indicator list. Let's look at my moving average. So I actually want the faster one on this, in this case, to be yellow. And I want the slower one to be red. So the 7 is red for me. Oops, and that's not a good red. I don't like that red. So you notice I can just click edit, right? If I can just get the right colors. There we go. So how did I do that? I right clicked, I said right click, and I went to indicators list, and it'll just show you a list of indicators on the main chart. Now I want to get my TDI down there, right? So I can go to indicator again, insert indicators. It's custom. So I'm going to go to custom. I'm going to scroll down to TDI Pro. It's going to ask me about my inputs, and there is a document that I share with you guys that you can get. I'm switching mine up. I like my chart to be red when it's down below, so I'm switching it. But there is a document that will give you the different values. Okay, so just depends. You can switch this up or whatever. You can do whatever works for you. I'm just giving you an example of how you can make it work for you. Okay, and so let's say you like that, and you say, oh, I don't like that. You just right click, go to indicator list, and you can go to and edit it. So you say, nah, I don't want to be 21. I want to be 14. Just give me an example. And you can just switch it. Okay. So that's how you add the indicator to your screen. Now let's make this a template. So we won't have to do this over and over again. And let's call it a day. So I'm gonna right click. I'm going to go to template. I'm going to save this template. You notice it opens up in the templates folder. See? And let's say I call this one Nope, let's add something to it to make it a little different because it's just like my TDI. So I'm going to add another template. I'm going to add another indicator. Let's say this one is the one that has the I'm too busy. Let's say we have buy sell magic up there. Kind of makes it busy. All right. So now I want to go to template. I want to save this as TDI buy sell magic. It's just an example. And click save. So now I have this template up here, right? And let's say I'm going to delete this window really quick. I'm going to close it. And now let's say I just want to do another window, or let me just show you how it works. So now I want to do, let's say I want to do one with this one. Okay. See how it starts out, but I don't like it. I don't want all this. I don't want grids and stuff like that. I just right click, go to template, load template, choose the one I just made or whichever one I like, click open, boom. Now it looks the way I want it to. And that's how you do it. That's how you add custom indicators and create a template all in one video. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I am Trinetta Burrell. You can reach me on Facebook and Instagram. And soon I will have all my videos. I will be updating them with the link to the Discord group. It is, you can come and join it if you are free. It's under Burrell Legacy Services because I offer more than just trading under our services. We also offer some other services to business owners and to people who are interested in other financial services that we offer. So a lot of things we do. So, but you can join the trading network and by just clicking on the link, that the Discord link to join the channel, and then let me know that that's what you're interested in, and I'll pop you into this network. Okay. And again, we have indicators, we have trading strategies, we have a lot going on. Make sure you come into the channels though. When you first come in, you're going to get into the welcome. It's going to be like a bot that's going to welcome you. But make sure when you go to different rooms, especially for the first time, go to the pinned messages, okay? Because it's trying to load, but there are strategies here. You can tell it's loading. But it may be because of the videos. Yeah. So go to the pinned messages so you can get get the content that you came to get. All right. So I will be letting you know, I will be updating this indicator list really quick. I'm going to add a manual that goes with the TDI Pro, and I'm also going to add some more indicators. And all of these will be pinned in the pinned messages. So make sure when you come in here, you go to the pinned messages so you can get the other indicators, okay? And that's it. That's it. I hope this helps, and I look forward to you guys catching more pips with us. And if you have any questions, get in touch with me. You can send an email to ucfmoneyteam@gmail.com to learn how you can trade with us. I'm excited because there's another thing that we're going to be adding, the $50 to 6,400 challenge and a $50 to $11,000 challenge in 30 trades or 30 days. That's also going to be coming to this group, and we're going to be doing it together, and you can be a part of that as well. So we will start that really soon. So if you want to be a part of that, let me know, and I look forward to help you guys. Like I said,